First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is M.C.P. Saheb. I have the experience of 23 years of teaching experience. I can teach the subjects C language, C++, Java, Python, data structures. I can teach these subjects very well. The duration of the batch is 45 days. Timing of the batch is every day I will take the class from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I will take the class from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday we have holidays. We don't have class on those 2 days. Batch start date. Today is the batch start date, that is 02/04/2025. This is about myself. Now I am going to explain you the C language within these 45 days. Right. Friends, is my screen visible to you? Everything fine? Friends, everything fine? Can I continue the class?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. Rabi, Narayan, Javala, Javale, Venu. Right. So today I am going to explain you what is the history of C language. History of C language. Who invented this? When it was invented? Why it was invented? I will explain. Friends, there are basically 3 types of programming languages. One is machine language. Second one is assembly language. Third one is high level languages. So here I have to contact with the computer. So I need to write a code which can be understood by computer, means machine. Actually, I have to use machine language to write the program. Then computer can understand very easily. But this machine language is very difficult to understand. Why? Because it contains only zeros and ones. In English, we have 26 letters, A, B, C, D, and so on, Z. 26 letters are there. With the 26 alphabets, English was developed. Machine language was developed only with 0 and 1. When you write the code by using only zeros and ones, it becomes complexity. So these programming languages not gained popularity. Now what to do? We have to develop a programming language in which we can use simple English words like read, write, print, like that. For that, they developed a language that is called high level language. High level languages are called as the languages those uses simple English words to communicate with the computer. All the users know English very well. They can use English words very well. So high level languages are very easy to understand, easy to learn, easy to implement. So high level languages are got popularity. Now one of the most popular high level language, that is BCPL. The meaning of BCPL is basic combined programming language. Programming language. Actually, it was developed by Martin Richard. It was developed by Martin Richard. He is the developer of BCPL. At the time of BCPL, they have an operating system. You know operating system? In your phone also you have operating system, Android operating system. Android mobile phones we have. In our TV also we have an operating system. It is also Android operating system. In our computer we have an operating system that is called Windows operating system. Windows, Linux, Unix. All these are the languages. All these are the operating systems. At the time of BCPL, they are using one operating system that is called DOS. DOS means disk operating system. Yet operating system is a single user operating system. What is the meaning of single user operating system? Means it will give support to only one person at a time. It will give support to only one person at a time. Right. So then they want to develop a operating system which can give support to multiple users. So they want to develop multi-user operating systems. To develop these multi-user operating systems, they try to write coding by using BCPL. After some days, they get some clarity. BCPL is not a sufficient language. By using this, we cannot build this multi-user operating system. Then they do one thing. They developed a new programming language and its name was B. It was named as B. So from BCPL, B language was developed. BCPL led to B. It was developed by the developer of B is Ken Thompson. With that, Ken Thompson. So with the help of language B, they developed successfully one multi-user operating system and it is called as Multics. Now we are hearing Linux, Unix, Windows, Android. All these are multi-user operating systems. The name of the first multi-user operating system name is Multics. It was developed by using the language B. Alright. To use the computer efficiently, single user operating system is not good. For that, they want to develop multi-user operating system. By using B language, they successfully developed. Its motto is completed. But actually, BCPL and B, these two are called as a typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are called typeless programming languages. Typeless programming language. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless means it doesn't support the data types. It doesn't support data types. Typeless means it does not support data type. What is the meaning of data type? What is the meaning of typeless data type? I will explain. Whenever you go to cool drink shop, there are so many types of cool drinks. Thumbs up, Maaza, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite. All these are called as the types of drinks. Whenever you go to hotel, there is a idli, dosa, vada, puri, like that. They are the types of tiffins. In data also we have some type. In human being we have two types, male and female. In the same manner in data also we have some types. Those are called data types. In BCPL and language B, these two languages doesn't have data types. So these are called typeless programming languages. Typeless programming. BCPL and B, these two are called as typeless programming languages. After that, there is a person whose name is Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, he introduced a new programming language by introducing data types. So B language was developed, C language was developed from B language. So B led to C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972. Yet AT&T Bell Laboratory. On Unix machine or a computer which is having Unix operating system, Unix machine. It is about the C language. Actually, C support the data type. So C is called typed programming language. C is a typed programming language. What is the meaning of typed? Typed programming language means it supports data types. In C language, we have data types. What is data type? How many types of data types are there? I will explain later. It is about the history of C programming language. My dear friends, it is the free demo class. We have 4 or 5 free demo classes. Once we completed the free demo classes, we will go to paid classes. Then I will create a WhatsApp group to you. In that WhatsApp group, I will send this material every day to you. Soft copy of this material every day I will send using WhatsApp group. Until that, you need to note it down. Okay, in free demo classes, you need to note down this. After completion of free demo classes, you need not to note down. I will send this material every day to you. All right, friends, note down this one. Friends, if it is completed, please tell me. I will go to the next concept. Friends, after completion of writing, please tell me. If you completed, ping a message at least. In your menu, you have chart. Click on that, type a message. Is it completed or not? You can unmute your mic also, no problem. Completed, Ravi. Thank you, Ravi Narayan. Right. Now, what is C language? Whenever you go to interview, you will get a question, common question. What is C language? What you know about C language? First of all, C is a middle level language. C is a middle level language. What is the meaning of middle level? In C, we can write the code using low level language, or in C, we can write the code using high level language. It will support both low level and high level. So it is called middle level language. In C language, you can write code only by using zeros and ones. That is called low level language. If you write a program in C language by using simple English words, that is called high level language. So you can write the program in both. That's why it is called middle level language. C is a typed programming language. Just now I explained. C language supports data types. We have 4 types of data types basically. Alphabets are called as characters. Numbers are called as integers. In numbers also we have some decimal points, 1.5, 2.5 like that. Those are called float. There is one more data type, double. So C language support these 4 data types. Support data type means it is a typed programming language. C is a case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive programming language means C language feels lowercase letters and uppercase letters are different. Both are not same. Small a, capital A, both are not same. It is lowercase alphabet, it is uppercase alphabet. While reading, both are same. It is also A, it is also A. But letters are different. If any language identify these two as different, that is called case sensitive. Case means uppercase and lowercase. It will identify, it will treat lowercase letters are different, uppercase letters are different. That is called case sensitive programming language. C is a structured programming language. Structured programming language means we can break down a big program into small parts. That facility we have in C language. That is called structured programming language. C is a POP language. POP means procedure oriented programming language. The POP stands for procedure oriented programming language. The meaning of POP means it will give more priority to procedure. It will give less priority to data. So C language, we give more priority to procedure only. We will give less priority to data. So it is called procedure oriented programming language. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie. It is about the C language. Note on this. Please don't write anything on screen, please. Dennis Ritchie. The spelling is Ritchie. Ritchie. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Right. The next concept is how to write a sample C program. How to write a sample C program. In every C program, we have to start the program with like this: hash, include, inside angular brackets, stdio.h. It is compulsory. This line is compulsory. I will explain you why we need to write this. Next, we need to write a main method. I will explain later what is the use of main method. It is common in all the programs. Hash include stdio.h is common. Void main is common. For every program, you have to write the solution. That solution is nothing but the code. The solution you have to write in between these two curly brackets. That is called processing statements. What is that? Processing statements. Semicolon. It is about the C programming language. In every program, you have to write this one, you have to write this one, you have to write curly brackets, you have to write curly brackets. This program, only the solution will be changed program to program. So this is the basic sample C program. Now the first line, it is called actually include statement. That is called include statement. It is called main method. It is called main method. The solution is called processing statements. Processing statements. Any C program will have three types of statements. One is include statement. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. Now I will explain one by one. Please note on this. I will explain later. Ravi is saying completed. Good. I will explain the first concept. Why we need to write this line of code? It is called include statement. What is the need of include statement? Include statement. In every C program, you have to write this line of code as first line. It should be the first line. So it is the first statement in any program. In any program, you have to write hash include stdio.h as first statement. It should always begins with it is called hash symbol. The symbol is called as hash symbol. Now, why we need to write this line of code? Friends, you want to construct a house. Then what are the things you need? You need bricks. You need cement. You need iron. Right? Like this, you need something. From where you will bring those? Those are available in different shops. Cement shops are there. Iron shops are there. Bricks shops are there. We need to go to shop and we need to purchase. After that, we can construct a house. In the same manner, to build your application, we need some tools. Those tools are available in this header file. stdio.h is a file. In that we have so many tools. Using those tools, you can build your application very easily. So before going to use the tools, you have to copy the content of this file into your file. So we are using this line of code. So what is the use of this one? It will copy the content of which file? stdio.h. It is a file name. File into our program. After that, you can use this. Once you copy the content of this header file into your program, then you can use different tools. Then you can build your application very easily. It has one more name also. It is also called as preprocessor directive. What is the meaning of preprocessor directive? I will explain within a minute. Friends, in 10th class examination, we have final examination. Before that final examination, we have pre-final examination. Pre-final examination. We will complete the task in 2 steps. Pre-final, after that final. Here also, you will write the program in English, but computer cannot understand English. First, we need to convert this English program into machine language. That process is called as compilation. Compilation. Saket Javala, he is asking what is STDIO. STDIO means standard input and output. It is the name of the header file. Name of the header file. Just like as India, China, Pakistan, it is the name, one of the name of the file. STDIO, right? It means standard input and output, right? So first we need to convert this program into machine understandable. That process is called as compilation. That process can be done by a software that is called compiler. Compiler is a software which can understand your program and convert that program into machine understandable. That process is called as compilation. Once your program converted into machine understandable, then your program will be run. Your program will be run. So your program will be executed in 2 stages. First we need to compile, then we need to run. This line will be executed at the time of compilation, means it will be executed before running. So it is called pre-processor, pre-final examination, like that. It is pre-processor means it will execute at the time of compilation. It will execute at the time of compilation. So it is called pre-processor. Pre-processor. This line will give direction to compiler. So it is called directive. It will give direction to compiler. Compiler means a software. Compiler. So it is called directive. Directive. It is about the include statement, right? So note on this, my dear friends. Friends, we have 5 free demo classes, 4 or 5. In that free demo classes, you need to note down this material. Once free demo classes are completed, we will move to paid classes. Then I will create a WhatsApp group to you. I will send this material soft copy to you every day. And you will get one recording session also. If you are unable to join the class on time, then you will get a recording session. You can go through that also, no problem, right? Recording and as well as soft copy, both you will get. With this, we completed the today's class. Tomorrow we will continue the class, right? Due to power problem, I started the class lately. Sorry for that. Tomorrow I will start the class by below 6:10. Within the 6:10, I will start the class. Yes, yes, Rabi, you will get more C programs. It is a programming language only. The training will be only practicals only, right? It is a coding programming language, no? That's why you will have more number of programs, no problem. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up. Do you have any doubt? Ravi, today's class is completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. If it is completed, please ping a message. Yes, our class is from 78. Yes. Hash assembly is compulsory. Asgar Ali, hash assembly is compulsory. Why? Because a line which begins with a hash symbol is called as preprocessor directive. It will be executed at the time of compilation only. Before executing the problem, we have to gather all the tools required to build your application. So the first line should be executed at the time of compilation. You have to start only with the hash symbol. Preprocessor means it will be executed at the time of compilation. Okay, in 10th class you have one thing, bridge course. In intermediate you have one bridge course. Before starting intermediate, you will get some points, no? Some prerequisites. In the same manner, before running the program, you need to compile the program. At the time of compilation, it will be executed. So it is called preprocessor, means pre-execution, before execution. Sanket, clear? Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good night.